In this video, I am going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV via Google TV. If you're using a Google TV device, this guide will help you stream games seamlessly. Let's get started. To watch live football on Google TV, start by ensuring your device is connected to the internet. Open the Google TV home screen and search for the YouTube TV app in the App Store. Download and install the app, then log into your YouTube TV account, or sign up if you're new. Once logged in, browse the channel lineup to find the game you want to watch, such as ESPN, Fox, CBS, or NBC. Select the channel or game to start streaming instantly. You can use your remote to navigate, set reminders, or record games using the Cloud DVR feature. Google TV's intuitive interface makes it easy to switch between live sports and other content. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on YouTube TV via Google TV, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.